In this video I'll show you how to remove the rear headrest on a 2008 CL63 W216 body style. So you're gonna have to remove the little plastic trims. They're gonna be like this. So they're just locking in on the sides right here, all around. You could just use a flathead. You pop these up, basically, so you have this little opening window. And once you open those, this is what you're gonna see. So you're gonna have to press these two tabs, and you see how it unlocks it inside. So there's two of them, one on each side. So you're gonna have to press on them together at the same time and pull on the headrest towards the front of the car, and it will slide out basically. Just make sure you press on them good so it unlocks it. And this little part is going to be sitting something like this basically. And this is the same technique for most of the Mercedes.